Have you ever seen water droplets on the outside of your fridge and thought it's leaking? It's not leaking. Your fridge is sweating. And if you ignore this, it can increase your electricity bill and damage your fridge. This is called condensation. It happens when warm, moist air touches a cold surface. Just like a cold soda bottle sweats outside, your fridge can also sweat. There are four main reasons this happens. Number 1. Damaged door gasket. If your rubber seal is loose or cracked, warm air enters constantly. Number 2. High room humidity. Cooking without ventilation increases moisture in the kitchen. Number 3. Poor ventilation at the back. If your fridge is too close to the wall, heat cannot escape properly. Number 4. Anti-sweat heater not working. Some fridges has a small heater around the door frame to prevent sweating. If ignored, sweating can cause rust at the bottom panel, mold growth around the door, higher electricity consumption, shortened compressor life. And as we know, replacing a compressor is expensive. Here's how to fix it. Clean and inspect the door gasket. Do the paper test, close the door on the paper, and pull it. If it slides easily, replace the gasket. Leave at least 2 to 4 inches space behind the fridge. Reduce kitchen humidity. Open windows when cooking. Your fridge should cool inside, not sweat outside. Follow for more simple refrigeration tips explained clearly.